Let's begin by identifying your niche. Research markets that excite you and have a potential demand. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals and target audience. Choose the right business model, whether it's products or services that suit your vision. Setting up your online presence is crucial. Create an engaging website optimized for search engines. Establish a strong brand with a memorable name, logo, and consistent messaging to connect with your audience. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience and promote your business effectively. Implement effective marketing strategies like email campaigns and content marketing to reach potential customers. Track your performance using analytics tools. Monitoring metrics is key to adjusting your strategies. Look for opportunities to scale your business by expanding product offerings and entering new markets. Lastly, stay adaptable. Keep learning and innovating to keep your business relevant.